shit. Here we go again.
Dump me until I broke out my cocoon. If I catch him lacking, your homie is doomed. We clean this block, 30 shots out the broom. Half pace to pop out like it's toast. Hit that bitch once and I gotta go ghost. She see I got power, now she do the most. Internet gangsters get mad, make a post. Bet you I win with my back is the road. Rockin' off white, so she think I'm the pope. I jumped in the water, I knew I would float. You think you the best, and I'm killing the goat. Niggas was broke, all we had was hope. Bro hit the plug, all he had was dope. I get the last laugh if he think it's a joke. Say she got a friend, well
What's up YouTube? We say we're on the Great back with another video, and today guys we're gonna ask male people if them would have to save their mom life public interview. So I want to know, like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, turn notification bell, and for the new just subscribe. I know a long time I do a public interview and I be a vloggings and all kind of something I do, but I don't like talk too much. Follow my IG, everything, RonDaGreatyt_. Let's get in the video. Here we
Derek Jackson.
RonDaGreatyt. So the question for today is, would you suck to save your mom life?
For save our life?
To save her life, would you? Yeah.
I can't save our life no other way.
No other way, you just have to do that to save her life.
But I find the next way to save our life. So
Either she dead, you know, or she not dead. So that makes you go on.
I save our life too. I save our life.
But you know, man to man thing though, but you know, like, fear life almost done.
Yeah,
and like,
true, but
your life just
still
a start off. Well, we different, you know, full thing different, so yeah, but that you say?
Yeah.
Respect.
Shall we?
So this is one you tell me to buy earpods from your Z, and it kinda did go bad part my son. I don't want to no judgment, but like, what happened, right? Me spend $5,000 on earpods, fake earpods, Jamaican dollars, 5,000 Jamaican dollars on fake earpods. Well, and that really happened still today now. Me go there, cause him say him did have some $3,000 earpods, and me say alright, $3,000 good. So me I go there to buy that and the case itself. So I left back with money. So I go there now. Him tell me say, oh, him not have that. Him only have the $5,000 one. So I say, alright, me buy it now. That only lasts me for 1 week. And the one side I nah charge. So one bag of something. I'm not gonna chat out the video too much and watch it. Yo. The earpod thing, I have the thing like both for a week, and the left side part, nah charge. Now we come right. Like the two of them are working, the two of them are working, but one side, nah charge.
And the black box, like a black box, so you get that damn thing for you. Yo, see this now?
I'm a pocket make it something this. I ink that thing.
No clear, no problem. I say, yo, you want to treat like them, bro. Them now, I'm this and that. I'm not check out the set of the last man of them box, set up and buy. So, the wicked thing now, them this now get a change. I'm recently, but them now, no more them have to change for them. I can't type, you know, at the time, so buy it. So, I'm not get a change, I'm not like family, I can't get a change. No, so I can't get an exchange because them are done.
So you can't get like no refund or nothing like that.
God, I said that time for them.
Half of what I paid for. Like if I pay for 5, I could get like 2 or 3 grand back. Because I don't have it for a month. A 1 week I have the thing for 1 week. Not even a month, dude. Not even a month.
I'm not lying, I'm not going to pick up.
Put in one of them. No, the one I want when I work.
No charge.
Yeah. This is one you know. See? Lucky. See that? I want watch on. Lucky.
Yes, you can say light up, man. You have to live with the family, so life for them to
We got scammed.
Can't change them and them do that shit upon
so I'm not get no refund or nothing.
So what talk about them the refund nah change or so they get figure out so
bro, at that point, bro, me dey on a thing like, yo, me nah gonna stop talk to this money until me get my money, and me nah laugh, like, me literally sit down like minutes, I chat out just a chatty mouth cause I want my money, bro. Like, a man not gonna make me buy something and more only have it like for 1 week, and then you gotta tell me something not gonna get the money back at least $2,000 or $1,000 back. Mad.
Can't do friend, I don't like your family. I tell you so now. You come to test me, give against the family. I'm gonna give you still live. I have to live, so you can't tell you the lie. I'm not going to do it possible. But man, if I want to live, you have to live with that girl. Yeah. Go on live with family, that's so like come on to the wire. No, for real, I must get some care in front of me.
Alright, so guys, with the order, so show them power. Yeah, what you plan, we try to look for flags, so go up on the engine. I try edit it the best way I can. So, yo, come. Drop phone, play music. I think we're going to see the music thing already. We're supposed to see the music thing already. So, what do you think? I think if we just go back up, you want to some money over here, sir? We just run in for the camera with them. Go me.
Nah, I'm mad even now.
I'm gonna need it a while.
So I'm here with.
Yeah, this is our fusion as usual.
Alright, so I'm RonDaGreatyt, right? So the question to you is, would you save your mom life?
Well, in every aspect, of course, 'cause, you know, mom is mom, you know, mom is that deliver, bring forth life, you know what I mean? Yeah.
You hear what me I say?
Yeah. Got it! Got it!
Would you use to save your mom life?
If I would try to save my mom's life, or if I
Stop it. Get some help.
I
would
mean,
save
like,
my mom's life.
So once a man come up to you and say, you have to succeed in your life.
Awesome.
Save
So,
your
so,
mother
what?
life.
So what?
You know me at that.
Got it! Got it! Come on, then
Every man say,
no, we're not doing it. We're not trying to stupid something.
so where would I do? Would I make sure dead or would I do that?
No, we don't know about that part then. Surely.
You have anything you want to show me?
Yeah, man, let's pick up the world. You know, it's our fusion as usual. You know, Portmore, very thing. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Sir, Rick never there.
Yeah, boy.
Yes.
Catch him.
See, they on the. How him did I do?
Look like man look for something food or something.
Look, yo. Look back here. Bro. I want to do some collab with some people, bro, like some girl. They hit me up, bro. Any YouTuber. All if them just start all the 10 subscribers.
Yeah, I try to get a collab with
What's all them do? Yeah, any YouTuber, all with 50 subs. So I want a girl. Yeah.
Can't make it get the flip.
How I did over there, so make you drink the over, so.
Like a chicken skin and get man.
Skin. I know them coward things did for do today. But I guess next time do next time. Ross. See that? Next time do. See it, but for now, so I'm gonna vlog out some of this. Wait, I'm gonna turn on this. Yeah, for you some kind of hotspot thing. Yo, the thing, yo.
And I did it then.
Can't drop in our ears so low there. You have to take a little time and build it up.
You take it.
Well, yeah. Not never in a box. Me did actually look for it. Bro, mine I chop you up, you know. Fly thing, man, I stop beers. One Fred. Eh? Oh. God, I don't know.
Oh shit, here we go again.
They dumped me until I broke out my cocoon. If I catch him lacking, your homie is doomed. We clean this block, 30 shots out the broom. Half pace pop out like it's toast. Hit that bitch once and I gotta go ghost. She see I got power, now she do the most. Internet gangsters get mad, make a post. Bet you I win, but my back is the road. Rocking off white, so she think I'm the Pope. I jumped in the water, I knew I would float. You think you the best, and I'm killing the goat. Niggas was broke, all we had was hope. Bro hit the plug, all he had was dope. I get the last laugh if he think it's a joke. Say she got a friend, well I wanna